DAX continued with its bullish momentum last week, taking the support from 16,000 levels. We have seen it breaking its record and achieving all-time high or creating all-time high levels again. I hope you all profited with the last week's analysis. Now what to expect next week, which position you should take, and also we will see what to expect in the month of August from DAX with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, we will summarize, conclude and give you the trading levels and strategy, not only for the next week but also for the month of August. So do watch till the end. Those who are new must press the bell icon and which keeps you updated with the daily analysis which I share for DAX before the Europe session. So do press the bell icon and do like, share, subscribe and comment. That's a great motivation. Let's start. First, we'll look into the charts here. Let's start with the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, you will find this is the rise rally. Previously it was giving lower highs, then this was the consolidation. It has taken the support from the 16,000 levels and have seen the rise here. Now it has breached past the all-time high levels here. Second thing is, now it has got the support intact at 16,200, 100 and 16,000. This is the major support zone. Only and only if you see DAX in the month of August trading below 16,000, you should treat this as bearish. Next is, look at the bullishness here. First, strong bullish candle. Next is also a bullish candle. We may see a third candle also, which can take the prices or lift the prices till towards 16,570, 16,620 levels. So this is something you should watch out for. And now let's have a more detailed look on the daily chart. See how it is behaved here. First support is seen at 15,500 and now 16,000, which was the resistance earlier, has now become a support. Couple of candles taking the support from these levels and rising. This in fact now has become very strong support for DAX for any downward move. Now let's have a look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts, you can see DAX staying or spending its major time within this bullish channel. This is a bullish channel here. Now the bottom of this channel for the forthcoming weeks is at around 15,700, 800 zone. Now 15,700, 800 zone, this is where it is going to get the maximum support here for the next few weeks. On the upside, the limit is there far above at around 17,000 plus levels. That is the first part to this observation. Next is, after this bullish move, it has formed the flag and then this breakout. So it is certainly staying bullish here. That is very clear. Also, the last week's candle, if you can see, it is closed at the top, which is also a bullish indication. And hence for next week, once you see it trading above 16,500, stay long for 16,570, 16,620 zone. Beyond that, more bullishness may prevail. And for the month of August, we can say if it stays above 16,600 levels, certainly you can stay long further for 17,000 plus levels. Now this is on the weekly charts. Also, now let's have a look at the monthly candle. Likewise, on the monthly charts, continuing the bullish momentum here, trading within this channel after this strong bullish rise here. Now the top of the channel, as we have discussed here, we on the next coming weeks stays at around 17,000 plus levels here. So this is one thing you should watch out for. Next is the monthly candle. If you look at, see, support is seen here at around 15,400 levels and ultimately 15,000 is the greatest support. Next is, if you look at, higher highs are seen here. So and the body size is getting diminished. So these are a couple of observations here. First thing is, you can see a long tail which suggests that the prices failed to stay bearish in the preceding month. Second is, diminishing body size in these two candles suggests that the bullishness is getting diminished. Hence, in the forthcoming month, in the month of August, either we may see a swing or we may see it staying partially bullish, you can say. But partially bullish means you can expect, now look at the body size here, 16,200 to 16,500, 600 at max. There is still one more trading sessions. So what you can expect, 16,800 or 17,000 at best in the month of August. And achieving those levels, we can see a pullback. So a pullback is must. However, it can either stay in range or show you a swing. That is my expectation. Now let's have a look with the indicators here. If you look at the indicators on the monthly chart, you can see prices are too much divergent from the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is now staying at around 15,000 levels, which makes these levels as achievable. As the more it diverges from the moving average, the possibility of it to converge till towards the moving average will increase. Also, it can, for the next month, it can signal a reversal before crashing next to next month. This is one possibility which is definitely there. Monthly stochastic is overbought, which also calls for a possible retracement on the downside. At the same time, MACD has continued its upward move. It is trading with divergence. It is staying bullish and it is willing to continue its upward journey and reach at around these levels on the monthly charts. So yes, a little conversion here. A conversion, when I say, see, this is too much diverge. The candle size have almost flattened, so it can converge for a couple of months before looking upwards. Yes, it is still in the midterm to near long term. Yes, it is still trying to stay bullish for next 1 year, but possibly a little red candles before it looks over to an up move is can be expected. RSI is still looking upwards. Coming to the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, likewise, moving average is trading with divergence. Price is diverging from the moving average. We have seen whenever such divergence, it either one thing is the moving average lifts up. Second is the prices also comes down. So see, this is the phenomena which we had seen, and this is again can happen, but before that it may try to achieve the highs and then converge till towards 16,000. That is one probability. Stochastic looking upwards, trading bullish here. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. Remember, it is still trading bearish and it is coming at a slightly coming from a higher levels, which suggests that the possibility for it to retrace on the downside exists. And that is why I say either it could stay in range or possibly achieving the highs. We can see a retracement on the downside. These are two probabilities which are more likely to happen than the third one, which is to continue with the flat bullish bias and staying bullish only. So yes, the chances for it to swing on the downside will increase as much as it goes away from the current price. That is, as much as it rises, the chances for a pullback will increase higher. RSI is looking upwards, indicating bullishness. So now daily charts. On the daily charts, the moving averages have started to diverge, good bullish sign, and the prices are also divergent, and it is also top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence a pullback cannot be denied till 16,200 or 16,000 levels. So I'll definitely watch out for with the beginning of the next month. Possibly it could try to retrace on the downside. Stochastic rising, looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and see, this is happening after series of you can say bearish moves and now trying to look upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, showing strength here. So now we have seen the charts, you have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. And before, first, yes, we will look into the levels to buy. Next, we will look into the levels to sell, and we will define the critical zone, the critical levels, which are the levels which you should watch out for. But before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Limited seats are available. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify possible trends, identify probable trades, and trade with profitably. These are curated after years of experience, and hence do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details on same, and also you can be part of my Signals channel. Again, reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Now, first, let's have a look at the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here only at 15,500, 18 levels, you can say. Once it stays above 15,580, 15,560, and 15,610. These are the three crucial levels here. Yes, if you see DAX staying above 15,600, you can stay long further, and we are going to look at around 15,750 levels. Once it stays above 15,750, more bullishness will take it the prices higher for 15,880. My bad here. I am just, this is all 16,000s here. I am still not out of the 15,000 zone, but yes, these are all 16,000 levels. So read this as 16,000. 880, and beyond that 17,000 is a must. Chances are less that it is going to break past 17,000 in the month of August. Chances are less, but these are markets always trade against the expectation. So now where to sell? You can sell here at 16,418 levels. Now see, I am keeping just a 100 points gap here, and below 16,480 there are supports available at 16. Now these are major support levels which you should watch out for, because these are the critical levels here, 16,200. Now in between this zone, it is going to get the maximum support. Once it trades below 16,200 is where the more bearishness will take, or bears will take over, and then you can expect 16,080, 15,970, and then 15,900 as the next targets. Then further to that, we can expect 15,780 and 15,600 levels here. Now see, this is first the critical levels here. Then the next critical levels are this one. Very good support here exists at 16,000. We have seen that earlier. Below 16,000 is where more bearishness may prevail. This time it may try to breach below 16,000 for once, and even if it has to bounce back, it must achieve below 16,000 levels in the month of August, some point of time. So first thing is where to, you can see a rise till towards, in fact, 16,600, 700 zone, 800 zone. Yes, these are the levels where it is the probability for the drop will increase higher, and hence you can stay short if you see it at higher levels and expect it to drop till at least 16,200 or in fact 16,000 levels. So you will almost get almost for 700 to 800 points there if you're selling it high, and then possibly at those levels a bounce back till towards 16,300, 400 levels cannot be denied. So this is what we can expect throughout the month of August. Hence you can place your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are available in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.